Hey everybody, welcome to 21 million. Please take a moment, like and subscribe to my channel right now. Like and subscribe. Weekly candle just closed, and it's pretty exciting. I think this is an exciting point. We are making positive progress. Okay, so first things first, let's just go look a quick rundown. I can't talk tonight. A quick rundown. That's how excited I am. Let's run down the market really quick. Everybody get there. I don't know. What does everybody drink at night? Usually I'm in the mornings. Okay. We are at $1.1 trillion market cap. We have 24-hour volumes at $55 billion. So it is down a little bit. It was closer to 70 in the beginning of the week. Bitcoin dominance at 42.4%. ETH dominance at 18.5%. Bitcoin just closed at $24,328. Ethereum's at $1682. It was over $1,700 yesterday. BNB's down a little bit at $312. They're getting killed with so much FUD right now. But CZ's fighting back. We have XRP's at 38 cents. Cardano's at 40 cents. Polygon's at $1.48. It's crazy. A week and a half ago it was at $1.15. Would have a nice gain there, anybody that got in. Solana's at $24.88, and Polkadot's at $7.46. Litecoin's at $97. Let's take a look real quick for the week. The gainers and losers. Let's see what we got here. Let's go 7-day. Wow. This is some big numbers. I'm not familiar with any of those. Conflux, number 90. It's got a $487 billion market volume, big volume. Wow. Filecoin. So Conflux is up 315%. Stacks is up 116%. Filecoin's up 72%. Wow. Another Winklevoss. We're big on that at one point. Clay's up 42%. Internet Computer, 33.48%. Wow, that's good. Good stuff. So obviously, with the weekly candles being more significant than daily candles, than the hourly candles. So let's take a look at what we have here. And there's a couple things I want to point out. So we're going to do a couple of things right now. So this is me getting prepped. Okay, so let's take a look. So the first thing, the most noticeable, is the 200 weekly moving average. Okay, which it looks like we bumped off of. We bumped our head a little bit, and we're opening up right next to it. On Market Cipher, let's take a look at, because I'm looking at this right now. It just closed at 7 o'clock. So we have the money flow bending a little bit. Okay, we want this to come and start. We want this to go in. Okay, that's the goal. We want it to flip over to be in the money. Okay, VWAP, which was a little concerning, it looked like it was dipped down. It was dipping down. The concern was that it would have cut down, because then that would have been a move to the downside, a little bearish. But it looks like it leveled out. Okay, let's take a look at. So we have some levels here on the money flow that are pretty significant, which we passed. We passed this one right here. Let me move this to the front so you can see it a little bit better. There you go. The next one that we're going to look for to pass would be up here, okay, which we're pretty close. So we got to get through there, and we got to push up. Money's got to come in. That's what I'm looking for on this chart. Bullish, we got a momentum dot coming in. You know, we're pointing up. RSI's up, pointing up. So this is all good stuff. Okay, we have the blue triangle that confirmed already, which is a change in momentum. And we also, now we're looking to get a nice bull dot, which would be significant. And then after that, we want a few of those gold triangles, diamonds to print. So we got a couple gold diamonds, one printed last week. We have a long time to go, guys, 7 days before this one confirms. This is all bullish stuff, okay? So let's just take a look at something. I wanted to look at a couple of things with you. So let's look at this top right here. Let's use the little Fibonacci, and let's see what we have here. What level we just broke through. So here, this one right here is the one we just zipped through this week. Okay, and I want to show the significance of the level that we just went through, because a lot of talk is this 200-day, which is very important. But we don't have to go through that this week. It could be next week or the week after. You know, we're hanging in there. Okay, but I want to look at this Fibonacci level and the significance of it. Okay, so we went down past it and bounced back up out through it. We got rejected to leave it already once. Okay, so it's 2 spots. Okay, breaking through it was a sharp move, getting into it. Okay, we have, as we go through, we almost bumped ahead on that level here. We tried to get out here. We bumped ahead on it here. And then there was a significant fall through it here. Any sharp movements like that are usually through significant Fibonacci levels. Okay? Here's another one here. We blew into it, bumped ahead on it, came back at, tested, and went back out. Bumped ahead on it, went back in the next week, and shot out of it. Significantly. A significant move. Okay? But let's keep on looking. So the big one that I had saw, there's another one here. Hold on. Let's do this one. Let's do this top here too. Let's see the next one down. Let's play with the charts a little bit tonight. Let's go here. And let's look at the one that we're in right now. The one that we just got into. Let's see if there's any significant spots on this one. Let's see. We're playing detective tonight. Yeah, right here again. Fall through it, trying to get in, come back out, rejected, fail, back in, back out, and now we're in it. So I think we're going to make our way out of it, obviously. Obviously, that's what I think. But let's go. Let's move over to, let's look at the Heikinashi. Okay, because this is the one that CryptoFace suggests to use with Market Cipher. So when you change between candles and the Heikinashi candles, the placement of things change. The blue dots could change. Things move around a little bit. So, like you can tell, is 1, 2, 3, the 4th week, 5 weeks ago, the blue triangle confirmed on the candles, and the blue triangle only confirmed 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks ago on the Heikinashi. It changes a little bit. But yeah, no, guys, we're bullish. For us to go below, people are waiting for that magical point. Like even if you just, that we're going to break down to $10 or $12 or $15,000, it's just not happening. There would have to be a major catastrophe. Okay, even if you look at the previous bull market, and you do the golden pocket, the people that bought at just recently under 20,000, like you guys are geniuses. You guys made the best decision ever. It really is. It was a smart move. You guys got in great, in my opinion. Let's do it here. And we'll make this gold. So this past crash, we went down and in and bounced off the golden pocket. A hard bounce on it. We hung out by it and bounced right out. That's never happened before. In all of the other excuse me, guys, my voice is cracking. In all the other bull markets or bear markets, we've never touched the golden pocket from the previous bull run. It's never happened. You can see the significance right here. We hit our head on it and then went down. Obviously, this is COVID, but let's look at previously. Actually, you know what? I'm going to get off the logarithmic. I'm going to go to regular. So this is 2017. So here, 2013 right here. So let's take a look at this. Here, we'll go to the bottom, right there. Let's get our golden pocket. Okay, so we blew through it, but the next bear market was significantly higher. You know, we're talking 70% higher. You know, even if a diminishing return this is not right. This bounce here, even getting in now, I think is it's so great. COVID, I think, had such an effect that we had an extreme diminished bull market, and which affected the bear market. I think that this next one's a big run, guys. You know, I'm saying big numbers. I think we're going over 200,000. Big number. So let's take a look. One more thing. Hold on. So the thing that I was looking at was this wedge here. And I'm just going to draw it quick. Right here. Okay. See, the number I was tweeting all week was this 25. I was saying 25.2, which we closed above. We closed at like 24. Not 25.2. I'm sorry. 24.2, I was saying. And we closed at 24.308. And it looks like we're moving up. This is very bullish, guys. I'm very bullish on Bitcoin right now and the whole market. So appreciate it. Thanks for coming to see me on a Sunday evening. Take a moment, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow. My new time is 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Monday morning, bright and early. I will see you guys then. Thank you.